Hey exclusive baddies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be upcycling, well, like revamping a bag that I got at the thrift store. So I went to Salvation Army for my sister. She was looking for, I don't know, I forgot what she was looking for, but I ended up finding something that I liked there, and it was this bag. So you know the army, it looks like a purse, whatever. And I got it for you can't see the price, but it said $2.99 a little bit, if you can see. Yeah, $2.99, so $3. I got this for $3. And you know those chest bags, so I'm gonna put it on so you can see what I'm talking about. Those chest bags that go like this. You like my melanin shirt? Happy Black History Month. Melanin in the building. I got my braids. Yeah, so anyways, back to what I was talking about. So I got this little bag. You wear it like a purse, but I'm going to make this into a bag like this. So it's gonna crisscross and it's gonna come from the bottom. And I was thinking I could put some I kind of forgot where I was at, but anyways, this bag, I want to make it cross in the back and just sit on your chest like this. And then I want to like add some type of like little, like, yes, it's army little pattern, but I feel like it needs to be like girly, so I'm gonna paint it. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do. Like, I have some idea. I kind of want fire going up from the bottom, but we'll see. I might keep it simple, I might do a lot, but I think pink fire coming up, fire, that would be so dope. So yeah, and then I'm gonna style it for you guys. So this is the bag before. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use orange, yellow, okay, red. So now we're on to this orange. I'm gonna outline this pretty thick. It's not coming out nicely though. I don't want to ruin this.
Purchase your track today.
So I have to let this dry. But This is how it's gonna look. And then let me take these handles and I'm gonna cut in half. Okay, so now we're gonna put the straps on. So I'm literally gonna just use this and some safety pins to do that. So flip it over now that it's dry. And when I did it from my back, it went like to here. So I'm just gonna do a strap for going around my waist. So I already measured this out. At your measurements, if you guys are able to find this bag. So now I'm just gonna safety pin it here, and right here, and right here. So let me just do the side straps first, or should I do? So actually, I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna safety pin it and sew it because I don't think that's gonna stay. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell because more videos are coming up. Yeah, you guys, I love. This is a look. Bye.